Hello bachcho, let's read the question. Which of the following statement is correct regarding lymph? Option 1, it transports oxygen to brain. Option 2, it transports CO2 to lungs. Option 3, it returns interstitial fluid to blood. And option 4, it returns RBCs and WBCs to lymph nodes. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें बताना है कि इनमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है रिगार्डिंग lymph. So key concept for this question is lymph. तो पहले हम समझेंगे कि lymph होता क्या है. So lymph होता है एक colorless fluid जो कि circulate होता है in the lymphatic system. So जो lymphatic system होता है ये act करता है as a filter against microbes, organic waste, toxin, etc. So ये कैरी करते हैं कुछ lymphocytes जो कि हेल्प करते हैं इन फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट infections. So the first statement that it transports oxygen to the brain, this is incorrect क्योंकि ये फंक्शन होता है of the blood. Secondly होता है it transports carbon dioxide to the lungs, and this is also incorrect क्योंकि ये भी हमारा फंक्शन होता है of the blood. Thirdly होता है it returns interstitial fluid back to the blood. This statement is correct क्योंकि जो lymph होता है उसका जो मेन फंक्शन होता है that is to collect the interstitial fluid and then return it to the blood vessels. Fourth is that it returns RBCs and WBCs to the lymph nodes. So this statement is also incorrect क्योंकि जो lymph होता है उसमें कोई भी RBCs present नहीं होती. उनमें present होते हैं WBCs that are white blood cells plus plasma and platelets. So हमारा जो lymph होता है उसमें मोस्टली सारे पार्ट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं except the RBCs and some proteins that are present in the blood. The statement that is correct regarding lymph is it returns interstitial fluid to blood. So C is the correct answer. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.